Hi everyone, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. My today's video is another household trash to treasure video because everybody is now staying at home. It's time to be very creative and staying positive. I'm bringing you this trash to treasure video so that you find all the supplies in your home, find alternative methods, alternative items that are there in your home or stash, and do your DIY, do your crafting and stay positive and creative. My today's DIY is part of the Spring Trash to Treasure challenge being hosted by Sonia from Domestic Diva and Yelena from Blondienextdoor. I'll put links to both the ladies' channels in the description box below along with the playlist that they have created for more ideas and inspirations. My channel is all about picking up something ordinary and using different kinds of skills, turn it into something beautiful and useful for home and for your loved ones. And if you love the content of my channel and are new here, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit the little bell icon so that you're notified each time I post my video. For this trash to treasure, I have taken a basket weave. Now one can use any kind of basket. I had this one in my stash, and anything that can lie flat against the wall will do, any kind of basket. One can use foam board or hard cardstock paper or an old card which has a plain white surface on the front, and I'm using some false or the fake flowers for this also. Now I'll mark how much. I'll just center this piece and cut it out. Now with lots of patience, a pencil, ruler and eraser, I wrote down this important message: let's stay home. One can use stencils or stickers or whatever you prefer. I'm just comfortable with my writing with pencil, and I'll go over it with some color pens. Giving it the slight enamel look. Now I shall gently erase the pencil lines. Now here is the basket. Here is my sign. I'll center it and glue it here in the middle. And here are the fake flowers, and I'm going to glue them here, and this would be my sign ready. For the next trash to treasure project, I'm using this glass jar I emptied just yesterday. I took off the label and I have cleaned it and dried it well. Next I'm taking a thin strip, not so thin, something that would fit in well, a size as appropriate as that. So I'm taking a strip of packaging or brown paper, brush, some watercolor in black, water obviously, and some twine, and I'll use a little bit of tape. Now I'm going to make a buffalo check over this piece of packaging paper. one can omit this complete step and use burlap ribbon as an alternative. Let this dry. Now this is done. I'll just place it like this and go at the back and tape it. With a clear tape. Now I've taken a colored twine in white and green for a little more contrast over this paper, and I'll just go around this in the center and tie a little bow in the middle. I do like my today's creations. They are a bit boho, bit modern, farmhouse style looking. I love the neutral modern look behind it, and this is so pretty. How did you like my today's video? Do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and if you're new here, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and to hit the notification bell. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and be creative.